Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, in this video I will show you how you can add the tags in your Facebook group so that more and more people can discover your Facebook group and your Facebook group reach can increase very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups and then click on your groups. After that, scroll down and here your all groups will appear. Now click on the group in which you want to create or add tags. For example, I want to add tags in the first group. Click on it and then click on manage. And now scroll down and find group setting. Here you can see group setting option. Click on it. And now click on tags. You can see here is tags option. Click on it. Now you can add the tags so that more and more people can discover your groups. So I search here. For example, I search here technology. And you can see here is the tab technology. Click on it. And in this way you can search multiple tags and select. After that, click on save. Now you can see our tag has been created or added in the Facebook group. So guys, in this way you can add the tags in your Facebook group very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.